folks, it's me again. I have one more video. I bought another can of this accidentally, but I also bought a little red thing over there. I picked up Dielectric grease because apparently I have to put that bike back together and all the contacts are pretty much terrible. I don't know, it's kind of a weird container because it has the top on here. This thing unscrews. There is screws on there and there's a tab over here. I don't know, it's supposed to lift. I don't know if you push it down, lift it up. Let's see. See, there's a little tab right here. This screws on. There's a little, I don't know what the hell it's supposed to be. Is it supposed to move? Doesn't say how to work it. So we're gonna pull this tab off and see if we can get grease everywhere.
You are not getting grease on me.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Look at that.
Shouldn't all the grease go to Greece? To place Greece?
Greece. We're going to Greece. Hear that? Oh, the top? No, that doesn't screw. I think this is the off part. How do we get the red thing? Okay, let's try this out now.
Don't get it on me.
Ready?
No.
Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm not wasting this. This shit's expensive. See? Oh yeah, helps to turn it on here. Does it come out like? Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that little
Oh.
Dielectric grease. It's greasy. Yeah.
Just like bacon.
Okay, throw it in the garbage.
Ah.
So anyway, it's got a little. Actually, I was expecting
Oh,
a.
getting grease on me.
Put it in the garbage. Did you put in that garbage?
Yeah.
Did it go in?
Well, it's on the side.
Pick it up, throw it in the garbage. So anyway,
Jeez.
Dielectric grease. Comes with a. So this is in on mode up the front. That's in off mode. Yeah, if you get in the trash, right? So I got that, and I also have red and tacky grease because shit's getting pretty tacky on this channel right now. Also, I made this, which I didn't show her. See this? This is my oil can.
Oh.
Look at oil stuff. Think all the oil. All the oil wore out of it. What the hell the oil? It was supposed to be.
Oil?
I put oil in here and the oil kind of dried up.
Disappeared.
Yeah, I gotta put better oil in it. Anyway, I made a can with oil. So yeah, those are the consumable crap. Oh yeah, forgot one. Hold on. I also picked up some multi-purpose lithium grease. Since this is the greasiest video I ever did in my life. Let's open it. Why is it in a Planters peanut can? See? Does it expire? When's it good till? Let's read the warnings first. Warning, may cause eye irritation, skin irritation, avoid contact with eyes, prolonged repeated contact with skin, wash hands thoroughly after handling, use and store in a well-ventilated area, avoid release into environment, and disposal as per local. Avoid release in the environment. It's going on a machine that's going to splatter everywhere. Makes no sense. Let's open it up. You want to watch us open a Pringles can? Oh, look.
Wait, so you don't put it on your skin?
Yum.
Oh my god. Why does that look like gray butter?
I don't know. It's pretty gray.
Buttery.
But let's leave it in the can. Let's not play with this.
Yeah.
Yuckies. So anyway, we have multi-purpose lithium grease for a greasy good time. I don't think anybody's ever fried chicken in lithium grease, but I'm sure somebody on YouTube's gonna do it. With that said, I will be using most of these chemicals in different things. I get grease on me.
I don't know.
So anyway, that's it for that video. I have a couple of more videos. Don't forget to click the thumb button. Don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to push buttons like, subscribe. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comments.
Share.
Yeah, share, like. I'd be like a Hawaiian dancer. Okay, enough of their antics. Thanks for watching. Toodles. How long is this video? 5 minutes? You listen to this babble 5 minutes. Hope you didn't waste your lifetime. Thanks for watching.